Welcome guys to my YouTube channel where we are learning list data structure and we are looking into the different methods of the list data structure. So as of now we have seen append, count, index, insert, then pop, then remove. Now let's see if I want to reverse the list. So I can see I have in my number list I have two elements, 1 and 2. So if I want to reverse the list, I will say reverse this method, and if I print it, then the list has been reversed. Now this is a reverse list. Previously it was 1 2, now it is 2 1. At the same time, because I have less elements, so let me first add few elements into the list. I will add like 5, and I will add 5 and I will check the list once again. Okay, so it has added at the end. Then I will add list 1 dot append and I will say 3. So I'm just creating a scenario for next function, list 1 dot append, and I will say 4. So now if I print a list, so if you see the list is in this format 2 1 5 3 4. So what if I want to sort the list? Then I can do like this way, list 1 dot sort function. Okay, and now I will print the list. So previously the list was in this manner, and now the list is in sorted format 1 2 3 4 5 in this manner. We have seen now append, we have seen reverse and sort one. Now to work on this sort, we have appended few elements because our list was very small, like only 2 numbers were there. So you guys can practice all these different methods. We have seen different operations also. So please practice at your end, and definitely this is very useful one in your projects also. I hope you have liked this session. Please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.